I see 1937, 38, 1945, 1947. I revisit the foundations of this nation. Manto, la cantons, ans, ila bradili. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost. I coparatons, azins, ila bracadi. Oh, you can revisit foundations. Congo, I speak to you. I speak to you. I speak to you. You shall nourish again. You shall rise. I see Radakapanto. Fedome means Ubradagabakos. I revisit the foundations of Congo. Congo, your foundations are being revisited of the Lord. I see the angel in charge of nations moving over you, Congo. He says the word of the Lord has come to be fulfilled. It is time that this word now begins to manifest. Oh, Congo. Rupa patante. Kabens uns ila bragadi. I read, it is written restoration. Zuns abre kiba babonte limanto likons abrento. O Congo, baranans, brenki mans ali. Oh God, I come against every spirit that is after blood in Congo. That spirit, alebrosums ila fratelli, that stirs up warfare, wars. The spirit of separation, I come against you, Satan. I rebuke you, Satan. Enough. It is time to release God's people. This nation belongs to the Lord. It belongs to the Lord. It belongs to the Lord. Oh, Congo. Oh, Congo. Oh, Congo. See what the Lord is doing with you. See what the Lord is doing with you. See what the Lord is doing with you. Congo, you are so rich. Congo, you are not poor. I speak life over you, Congo. Shaliko para, vincanton sanseli tatatabela, brondon don sins ali brodocopo lotofena faninto locombregetia, lopra atons. I see, Lord, I ask, let the angels hold this nation. Congo, you're being carried of the Lord. Mando sazila fadei. I speak independence, freedom from men that have possessed you for years. Menkrenton sans ila bra adis umanatai. I speak to you, men who have put Congo under slavery. I come against you by the Spirit of Jesus, this Spirit that raised him even from the dead, this Spirit that is all powerful. I come against you and I speak now. It is time that you release this nation or you perish. I come against every nation that has gathered. Oh, maricons ans ila bradili, kens uns ila bracuveledis ila bradili. I see treaties. The nations that have a treaty over Congo. I come against you. It is time you release Congo. Congo will rise. It is time you release Congo. Ramama monsinia tatani, kadele de din solia vradiza lagabra gadili, grantons ans ila bracuveledia. I command you, release Congo. Release Congo. Release Congo. Oh, France, hear my voice. Shabababons abredili. Rendons ans ila tatamanato atadila makompe. Oh, France, hear my voice. Can you hear it? Ruta katans azin silikura hadani. Kando mendi la combre gedili vilidi. Brondo dons abiro nons alia bradia. I speak to you, okay? Hear my voice. Manto la felicompala. Germany, he says, hear this voice. Zons ila fradila compresins ila fradili. Grendons ans ilo manato. Mendo la kabambe. Oh, China. The Lord is saying it is time you release the nations that you put under slavery. I see things begin to happen in China. I see things begin to happen. Rememins uns ibrata da vensu tafeleni. Campinos antelins anicopalande sus ivronomons aveli. Prelins in salamin crandelins uns alebreki babonte. China 2028 rupalamens. Miruzans ilo berecompando sins ulamananto. Kinkonas ansintons and limonons aliamenkai. The mind of the Lord is against you, China. Shamiko vredis. Virusuns ila fradili. Mantominato bericom regetila fadelia mans uns ibradaya.